Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is Sahyog Portal. Why in news? The Sahyog Portal, launched in 2024, has recently become a focal point in India's content regulation landscape. What is the Sahyog Portal? The Sahyog Portal is an initiative by the Government of India developed to automate the process of sending notices to intermediaries such as social media platforms to remove or disable access to illegal content. It is designed to streamline content regulation, making the process more efficient and responsive. Launched by the Ministry of Home Affairs and maintained by the Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center, the portal aims to expedite the identification and removal of unlawful content across platforms like social media, messaging services, and more. Agencies flag content on the portal, and the concerned intermediaries or ISPs receive notices to block or remove the flagged content. The escalation is done direct to the concerned platforms or to the Department of Technologies in case of ISPs. Major platforms like Google, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube are among those integrated with the portal to comply with content takedown requests. Legal framework and takedown laws in India. India's legal framework governing online content takedown is primarily based on two sections of the Information Technology Act 2000, Section 69A and Section 79. Section 79 of the IT Act Safe Harbor provisions. This section provides a shield for online platforms from legal liability for third-party content. However, this protection is not absolute. If the platform is notified of unlawful content by the government and fails to act promptly, it risks losing this safe harbor protection. Section 69A, Content Blocking Orders. This section allows the government to block online content in certain situations, such as protecting national security, public order, or friendly relations with foreign states. Blocking under this section is subject to certain safeguards, including giving users the right to be heard. Elon Musk X argument and response. Elon Musk-owned X has raised objections to the Sahyog portal, arguing that Section 79 does not authorize the government to issue content blocking orders. X contends that the government's actions are a violation of the safeguards set out under Section 69A, especially in light of the Shreya Singhal case, which upheld freedom of speech and expression. Government's position on Sahyog portal. The government strongly condemned X's description of the Sahyog portal as a censorship tool. It argued that Sahyog was not designed to infringe upon freedom of speech, but rather to protect national interests, public order, and prevent unlawful activities. The government clarified that the Sahyog portal's notices are not blocking orders, but notifications requiring intermediaries to comply with their obligations under the law. Failure to comply could result in legal action. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statement about Sahyog portal. The Sahyog portal was launched by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. The portal is designed to allow individuals to flag content directly to the government. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.